歡迎大家收睇《煽動真音樂》。今日咧要訪問嘅呢位嘉賓咧，我應該係要同佢講英文啦，定係要講廣東話咧？廣東話係 OK。好，識聽，識講得慢慢啲。OK，welcome to Hong Kong。係啊。Yeah，Richard Lam。係。哇，今次 Richard 嚟香港，係咪第一次嚟香港咧？
未第一次啊！以前啊嚟過20年。
20年前嚟過一次，嗰陣時好細個啊。係啊，
好細啊。
好細粒。
好細粒。
細粒嘅時候嚟過，咁今次嚟香港即係已經有幾個禮拜時間？係
啊，1個月。
嚟咗1個月已經。呢1個月你覺得香港俾你嘅印象係點？
香港好，我中意香港啊！香港人好中意音樂。佢哋they really appreciate the music and 香港人識聽rock 識聽 pop 識聽classical everything。
嗰個香港人嘅接受音樂嘅程度係非常之高嘅。咁另外覺唔覺得香港係一個好快節奏嘅城市？好快。好快。
好嘢聽。
咁嚟到香港之後啦，咁今次Richard 嚟香港咧係有個 mission 要完成嘅，呢個 trip 有個 target 係乜嘢咧？
我想俾我作啲歌，俾香港人聽I want to explore, get back to my Chinese roots.
Yes.
唔識講Chinese roots， 識唔識講啊？
即係將你嘅音樂即係俾中國人聽。即係翻嚟中國，因為你係一個中國人。咁我知道咧，你已經即係 so far 已經有3張嘅 album。而最近呢一張咧叫做 Generation I。Yes. Is this?
Yes, that's the one.
Yeah. 點解叫做 Generation I 呢
？Generation 係 mean 全部人可以聽，同埋老人家同埋細路仔同埋後生仔，全部人
都適合嘅。
It's empowering yourself in music, like doing whatever you can to make yourself happen. This is like I means I can do it. I am internet. I am information. 今日 and music. 你要自己做，to make it as an artist。
OK， 即係 I 嘅意思其實可以係 I for 好多嘢嘅，可以係internet 啦，可以係頭先講嘅係information， 係啦，一啲資料啦，所有嘢即係 I 自己，所有嘢都要自己做起嘅。咁呢一隻叫做 Generation I 嘅第3。
cut 咗啦，係啦，咁即係你可能可唔可以佢一嚟講就係話呢隻碟係 I 就係點？
不如減多少啲英文好啲，係啦，減翻少少中文啦，唔使太多。我哋可以講翻多啲英文都得，咁你會舒服啲，係咯。你係講中文，係啦，你係講英文，咁我哋由頭嚟啊，變咗唔使好辛苦咁樣咯。我哋講多啲英文，OK， 少少啦。OK，好。
I'm trying my hardest.
OK。
佢除咗嚟香港之外咧，佢會嚟緊去台灣啊，去中國啊，佢就係想將佢嘅音樂帶翻俾，因為喺美國做咗好耐啦，咁想帶直接翻去中國或者亞洲。
Can we say something about my 我爺爺 too, and then kind of like he's the generation, the old generation, and I'm the new generation.
Yeah, of course.
Sure. 因為我會有條問題。Question about your.
Okay.
好 ，stand by 啦。
準備5、4、3、2。
歡迎大家收睇《煽動真音樂》。今日咧，我哋訪問呢位嘉賓咧，叫做 Richard Lam。Hello，welcome to Hong Kong。我應該同你講呢一個英文啦，定係要講廣東話？
講話both 識講識聽，講得慢慢啲。
So you speak English and 我講廣東話。
好。
咁今次 Richie， 你係嚟咗香港已經有1個月嘅時間。1個月時間，你覺得香港係一個咩嘅城市？
香港人好中意音樂，like the music in Hong Kong is I love people.
Yes.
I love getting back to my roots
yes.
in Chinese.
Yes.
And it's just I wanted to explore my Chinese heritage. So I come back from America. I haven't been back in East Atlanta, like 20 years. I haven't come back, and I just want to see what happens, with the music. I want to give my music back to the people.
香港或者係中國始終都係 Richie 嘅根嚟㗎，咁啊所以佢想即係將佢自己啲音樂咧帶翻嚟啊，即係中國或者亞洲呢個地方。咁香港你成個月啦，你覺得香港人特別快
？Yeah, everything's really fast.
Yeah, running.
Yeah, everyone high five 跑步。
接唔接受到咧？即係適唔適應到呢個節奏
？Yeah，
OK。
Yeah. You take the MTR
你都可以適應到呢件事嘅。咁啊，今次我知道Richard 嚟到香港咧，有個 mission 要 target 要完成嘅。點解會嚟香港咧？
今次like why am I here?
Yes.
Just to perform, to play my music, give like just to see the audience of Chinese people, and then it's a different style. Like my grandfather, Yeah. Eugene, he used to be a composer and a symphony conductor at the Hong Kong Symphony. Yeah. And so it's like the old generation to the new generation of different music.
Right.
And just the Hong Kong, just to see this sight-see too. Also Hong Kong has 好多嘢食啊！
好多嘢食 ，yeah， 即係美食之都啊！
Yeah.
美食之都嘅稱譽係唔係假嘅？
I love the food here.